are here today joining us.
Timely visit from Dr. Doug Layton. He's with Iowa Health Physicians and Clinics. And first of all, why are we seeing so many cases right now, Doctor?
This is a bacterial illness. It's very contagious. We see a lot of people picking it up, especially with all the travel right now. Our big concern are teenagers and adults are not keeping up with their vaccinations. They're falling behind, therefore they're bringing it home to the little ones. We also have a lot of kids who haven't finished their primary series of vaccinations, and those kids then are at risk.
So is it mostly affecting young children?
Actually, who we're seeing most of the cases in are older people. We do see some cases in the little ones, again, that have had it brought home to them.
Okay, and what are some of the symptoms parents should look out for?
Yeah, it starts off as very much like a cold-like symptom, and that's one of the big concerns, is for the first week or so you think you've got a cold. Then progresses to a more intense cough. The classic whooping noise is part of that cough. We also worry about little ones getting a secondary pneumonia. The bad thing is the cough, even with treated, can last up to 6 weeks.
Wow, so that you know you have a real problem if the cough persists.
Correct.
And how is it treated?
Treatment is with antibiotics, fairly easy to treat. There are multiple different antibiotics that are very effective. Bigger thing we worry about at this point is prevention. Prevention is mainly through primary prevention, hand washing, covering your mouth when you cough, not going to work if you're ill. Secondary is the big thing, or with vaccinations. It's now thought that nationwide only 20% of teenagers are up to date on their vaccinations and only 3% of adults. It's a big risk.
Wow. Okay. Dr. Doug Layton, thank you very much. We appreciate it.